Alright, let's get real for a minute. Have you ever crashed into bed, way too tired to take your makeup off? Trust me, I've been there. But here's the shocking truth. Sleeping in your makeup is one of the worst things you can do for your skin. When you leave makeup on overnight, your pores get totally blocked by foundation, powder, and all the gunk your skin picks up during the day. What happens next? Breakouts, blackheads, dullness, and, yep, even premature aging. Makeup traps oil, dirt, and free radicals from pollution, breaking down collagen and making those fine lines show up earlier than you want. It's not just your face either. Sleeping in mascara or eyeliner can seriously mess with your eyes, causing irritation, lash breakage, or even infections. And let's not forget the lips. Lipstick left on overnight dries your lips, leading to cracks, flaking, and dark spots. But I get it. Removing makeup every night can feel like a chore, especially when all you want to do is sleep. Here's how I keep it simple. Use micellar water or a cleansing balm to break down makeup fast. If you can, double cleanse for that fresh, deep clean, especially if you wear heavy makeup or sunscreen. Always be gentle around your eyes. Press, don't rub. And never skip moisturizer. Your skin needs hydration after cleansing. Look, nobody's perfect. Missed a night? Don't stress, it happens. But make it a habit, and your skin will start to look dull, breakout prone, and older before it's time. Consistency is what matters. Your skin can bounce back with a few weeks of good habits, and the glow returns before you know it. So, do your future self a favor. Take off your makeup every night. Your skin will thank you, and trust me, you'll see the difference.